respected teachers and dear friends, on behalf of classes 4 and 5, I warmly welcome you to our English recitation program. Today we have some amazing poems to share. Each one is special and carries an important message. I'm really excited to hear our classmates recite their poems and show their creativity. So let's get ready to smile, learn, and enjoy the beauty of poetry together. Now, without further ado, let's begin this journey into the world of poetry. Our first participant for the day is Chunzunamo. She will be reciting a delightful poem titled Don't Tell.
I'm going to recite today is Don't Tell. The poem is about a child who feels they can do great things, but others think that they are too small. The child is excited to show them all how big and strong they really are inside. Here goes the poem. There are lots of things they won't let me do. I am not big enough yet, they say. So I patiently wait till I'm all grown up and I could show them all one day. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. There are things I could do if I tried, but nobody knows, no, nobody knows that I am a really giant inside. The meaning behind this poem is that if we are small, we can still have big dreams and talents inside of us, just waiting to come out one day. Thank you.
Thank you, Chunzunamo. Next up, we have another wonderful participant from class 4, Ngaon Shumin. His poem is School Can Be Fun.
Hello to all the teachers and students. Today I am going to recite a poem. School can be fun. This poem shows that school can be exciting with many subjects to explore. It encourages students to enjoy learning. The poem is School can be fun. School can be fun if you want it to be so much more interesting for you and me. Science, math, history, so much to choose from. It gives you in both night and morning. Why should we go? There is a lot to know. Very interesting thing to learn about. So let's go. Think of those who cannot go to school. There are many in number, not very few. So all the benefit of learning, we should reap. Yesterday's stage of life we live. School can be fun if you want it to be. So much more interesting for you and me. The point message is that school is fun if we have a positive attitude and we should always be grateful to our chance of learning. Thank you very much.
We have a very special poem that touches on the love and care we receive at home. Please welcome Ngaon Temba from class 4 with the speech.
Good afternoon to everybody. Today my poem is about my parents. The poem goes like this. The care of my parents is my heavenly abode. They are so lovely, no less than real God. They love, they care, they are always fair. They guide to be right. Their math is red, their hearts are broad, no less than real God. They worry to feed, they preach good deed, they sow in the heart. A compassionate sad, they are my only love, no less than real God. The message behind the poem is that parents are very important part in children's life. They shape their children's lives and creative thinking.
Thank you, Ngaon Temba. Our next participant from class 5 will remind us how important it is to stay optimistic in life. Please welcome Ngaon Chile on stage.
Good afternoon everyone. Today I will be going to recite a poem called Positive Approach by Durga Hendrik. This poem reminds us how important it is to stay positive no matter what challenges come our way. Here goes the poem. Be happy about what you do, but be honest and be true. Always try new things. Don't be sad about who loses and who wins. Don't worry if things go wrong. You will win if you stay strong. If you don't win, remember it's never too late to begin over again. If you get tired, get some rest so that you be happy and be the best. Always try Always look at the bright big sun. Always trust you are the number one. Don't worry about other things. If you do so, you will be on the top in just a blink. The poem teaches us that having a positive attitude help us overcome difficulties and face life with confidence. I hope, I hope everyone present here will take the advice and follow in their life. Thank you.
Now let's welcome Tintin Chakdol who will recite a poem, Try, Try and Try, which will inspire us to never give up.
My poem is called Try, Try and Try. This poem is about a boy who faced many failures but he didn't give up. He learned from an ant how to keep trying no matter how hard things get. Here goes the poem. Once there was a boy, everyone thought he was a useless guy. He failed in every exam, be it first, second, third or the last final term. Once he saw an ant who was trying to climb a wall, fell down but tried again, then it did not fall. This lit up his inner soul. He worked harder to achieve his goals and one day he went up so high that he finally touched the sky. The message behind this poem is that if you too want to achieve success, you should never give up. If you keep trying like the boy in the poem, you can reach your goals and touch the sky. Thank you.
He will be reciting a powerful poem titled Don't Give Up.
Good afternoon, dear children and my friends. Today I am going to recite a poem called Do Not Give Up. If you keep on going and never stop, you can keep on going. You can make it to the top. Life is full of mountains, some are big and some are small. But if you don't give up, you can overcome them all. So keep on going. Try not to stop. When you keep on going, you can make it to the top. The message behind this poem is that life may have challenges, big and small, but we can overcome them all. If you don't give up, it is a reminder to keep going because success comes to those who try their best. Thank you.
Now it's my turn to share a poem and I hope all of you will enjoy my poem. Good afternoon. Today I'm going to recite a poem called A Good Life by Elizabeth. A good life is a song when melodies are sung by laughter and smile. A good life is a cup of tears when days are painted by all sorrow and pain. A good life is community when one ceases to be alone in a sea of love and compassion. A good life is courage when the heart of faith announces the dawning of a new day. A good life is knowing the shepherd who walks with us even in the valley of death and brings us to the mountain of safety. The overall meaning of this poem is that life is makes us all make life good. It shows that every part of life, even the tough time, is important to help us grow and feel loved. Thank you. All families.
Friend. This poem is family. Family love is strong. Family are people who care about you. My family, grandpas and grandmas, and so many others. One family is big, while another family is small. Some family have children. Some family have children.
Difference between what is easy and what is truly meaningful in life. The true growth comes from difficult things, working hard to dream. It encourages to put effort into what really matters in life. Easy is to just a mistake, that's difficult is to recognize our own mistake. Easy is to hurt someone who loves you. Difficult is to kill the wood. Easy.
Now at last, I want to invite Children Hamo. We would like to dedicate a short poem to all the friends present here. Good afternoon. Today we are going to recite a poem on friendship. A friend is a heart full of love, a warm place to go, a supportive hug, a non-judgmental soul, a happy to see you smile when you drop in to visit for a while. A friend is accepting of faults and fears, lending their wisdom and their ears, always listening with concern and drying our tears when we are tired and hurt. A friend is you, it's who you are, so warm, so caring, with a giving heart, and I'm so glad to have you as a friend every day. Thank you.
Recitation program, I would like to thank everyone who made this event possible, and a special thanks to classes 4 and 5 for sharing your beautiful poem with us today. And of course, thanks to our wonderful audience for your support and encouragement. Have a great day ahead.